How to log into TikTok seller account. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily log into your TikTok's seller account. First, open any web browser and go to this link right here, seller.tiktok.com. So if you go on this URL, you will be directed to the TikTok shop seller center. So one of the main benefits of using the seller account is that you can increase the engagement on your video. You can even collaborate with other creators to promote your products, and also your viewers can directly shop from the video that you made about the product. So these are the benefits of using the seller account. Now you can choose your desired location. So from here you can choose any of these locations that you're located in, and you can enter your phone number and your password. You can even log in with your TikTok account. So I'm just gonna log in with my TikTok account, and once you do this, you should be able to see your dashboard on the seller account. So I'm quickly gonna log in right here. As you can see, I have logged into my account, so I'm just gonna click on continue, and it will directly take me to my seller's shop right here. So I have linked my account to my seller account, so I can easily access my account from here. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.